enjoying the waterfall?
Not really.
Looks like the one at Sentosa and the crowd is really hot. This is colder here.
Yeah.
I like that guy bumping into the rope just now. I was like, wait for it, wait for it. And then the guy looks at him. It's like a James Bond movie. And he goes, water is changing.
Maybe he's